Assalamualaikum everyone. I see a key that is making some noises. There's a trend going on about the Hong Kong coins, and we also have a new stable coin that is getting listed on Binance from the Hong Kong. So there's a lot of noise going on in the Hong Kong section, and key is one of those coins as well. I think Lina as well is grabbing my attention too on this trend. So let's talk about it. And you do have some beautiful moves right now, some very healthy green candles going on. And if I look at in the smaller time frame, first of all, I want to go into the 1 hour time frame and tell you a little bit about it. So here we go. And actually let's dive into the 4 hour time frame instead of the 1 hour. So you do have a little bit of a break right here. So you broke out of here. You haven't really back tested it. So if I do bring in the trend line, you might see a key doing something like this and coming down and take stop losses, back test this, and then finally bounce off here and try to go to the upside. So the technical target can be from there to there, and you can make a move up, and you can try to come up to nearly 0.011265, and that's where things are going to get interesting. What is the price level that I just talked about? You do have the ability to come up to 0.011265, and you're sitting at 9,400. We're talking about 11,265. So that's a price appreciation of nearly from there to there. You might be looking at a 20% move up, which is pretty amazing and pretty realistic. Now, when the prices actually come up here, I was doing the TA for myself, and I was kind of looking around what exactly is going on. And this is the 4 hour time frame. Time to switch between other time frame. The 4 hour time frame is pretty good for a day trade or intraday trade. And if you get a 20%, amazing, congratulations. It's a good money. It's a free money. Now, when we look at things on the weekly, that's where I am going to know if whatever key is doing is legit, is serious, is unique, or whatever key is actually doing that can be nothing more than getting people attention and whatever. What I'm about to say is look at the weekly, switch into the different time frames, and without wasting any time, take the trend line and draw the trend line. So if you draw the trend line, we need 3 touches to confirm a trend line. So my trend line says that you have the first touch going on right over there. So 1 touch, 2nd touch, a 3rd one, and imagine that you do have a very small gap for that 20%. So you see from 9,400 from the price that you're in right now, you have the ability to make it to that 11,000, and that's where you have the main resistance. So the 4 hour time frame shows a 20% move up, but when you do that, it actually hits the resistance on the weekly. So you have to be careful. That is going to be a profit taking area. Okay, you do have the ability to come up here and hit your head at 11,000, and that's going to be the 4th touch of the weekly resistance. Now, resistance are meant from the definition itself to stop things. It's a barrier. It's an obstacle. Now, if the resistance gets broken out, you break out of that resistance, come for the retest, hold the retest. That will be amazing time to shoot to the moon. That would be really awesome to shoot to the moon. So let's see what happens. You do have a 20% potential move. And that's all I can say about key. So follow this channel. You might never see it again to get, even more updates on Bitcoin and stuff like that. Turn on the notification and you're going to get my pop-ups if you like it. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.